Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Stripe Connect data to a platform account, full guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring Stripe Connect data to a platform account, ensure you have access to both the Connect account and the platform. Log in to your Stripe dashboard. Navigate to the Connect section on the left sidebar. Identify the account you want to transfer data from. Gather the necessary account IDs and API keys for both your Connect and platform accounts. Use the Stripe API to retrieve the data from the Connect account. Invoke the appropriate API endpoint for the data type, such as customer, payouts, or transfers. Store the retrieved data in a secure format, such as JSON. Prepare your platform account to receive the data. Utilize the appropriate API endpoint for your platform account. Make sure to format the data according to the requirements of the platform account. Authenticate your API requests using the platform account's API key. Send the structured data to the platform account using the corresponding API calls. Verify that you receive a successful response from the platform account. Check the data consistency and integrity after the transfer is complete. Address any errors that may arise during the transfer process. Conduct thorough testing to ensure all transferred data is functioning as expected. Document the entire process for future reference. Review the platform account settings to configure any necessary features or options. Monitor the accounts for any potential issues post-transfer. That's the complete guide on how to transfer Stripe Connect data to a platform account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.